My favorite part of the mechanical engineering program is the interactions that we have, not only with the students, but with each other, amongst the faculty, amongst the staff. Everyone is really acting like a big, happy family.
I have students that routinely come see me in the mornings before my classes, and they just walk into my door to have a dialogue about a problem they're having with their homework.
And we have what we call the open door policy, where if I'm here in my office, my door is open, and students can come in to ask questions about homework, about projects, or even just say hi after coming back from the weekend. And also help guide the students from not only what they're learning in the classroom, but what are their career goals? How can I help them get to that next step?
We have Harlexton, UE-owned British campus, to where an engineering student can work in their 4-year program and still go to a semester in England and still graduate in 4 years.
If you're interested in mechanical engineering, you should definitely consider the University of Evansville. We're a small school environment where you get to know everyone in your program and you get to know your faculty, but we offer the big school experiences. So by the time you're done with your 4 years studying mechanical engineering, you're going to be prepared to meet any challenge that awaits you.